Talofa guys, been a long time, eh? Been a long time. Well, I'm off to St. Mary's to get me some food, guys, and see what's there. I've never been there before, but I've seen them on Facebook, and they've just opened up. Oh, what?
On YouTube.
Oh.
They went to the comment as well.
Oh, okay.
Is it alright?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm alright too.
Oh, like that, Anna.
Yes, I saw you in Tabara and I saw you on following
Oh, I see. Okay. I thought I'll come down and try your fella's food, you know? 3 weeks. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Your partner is in Chupapaya.
Yeah.
His mother.
Yeah?
I'm
Oh,
in your 40s.
Oh, his mum's property is there.
Okay, so I don't know if you know the
She's a
necklace.
Cecil's.
Oh, yeah. The necklace?
Oh,
The
yes.
necklace? Well, that's with my kids.
Oh, my husband said he's related to the necklace.
Yeah, so Moro necklace,
Yeah.
my kid's sister. So
Okay.
from the necklace to the Paratini and the Krika family.
Oh.
But I saw
really?
you doing from Tupac. I said, oh, must be all family. Because our house is in Pue, where the shop is, the
Yes,
football
yes.
shop, at the back road.
Oh,
A lot of the families on my front main road.
yeah, yeah.
Just with the Puka villages.
Oh, okay.
You know where the Puka
I think I've seen it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So just 2 doors up to the Moro necklace.
Oh, I see.
I saw you took 3 years on it. I said, oh,
Oh. So I'm finally home now, guys, with all my goodies, and I got some food. Okay, I got the raw fish, right? It looks so good. Okay, guys, that's the reason why I got it. Ooh. So I got the massive donut. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway, so I'm looking around. Where should I start? Oh, look at that. Anyway, I got my prayer out of the way, guys, so we can, you know, like, get it going. So let me start off with this donut. This donut is huge. Look at it. Ooh. $2 each, guys. The man sells it $2 for one. And it's freshly made there, guys. Freshly made there. So the size of that donut is worth $2. Okay, guys. And then there's the steamed pudding and custard. My mum had 2 of these already. Oh, that's how nice it is. And the drink today is Fanta. Sunkiss. I thought it was Fanta, guys. It looks the same, but tastes different. Sunkiss is way better. Fanta's got that harsh taste. Yeah. But it's still good. Fanta's been around for years. But anyway, I've got to boil up, guys. But it's a potato, sweet potato. It's I've got sweet potato as well. Look, that's the orange sweet potato, not the kumara. And I have a hangi. Hangi, I haven't had a hangi for a while. The last time I had a hangi was Waitangi Day. Yeah, that was the last time I had a hangi. See how long ago it is? So I am so looking forward to having this food, guys. Can't wait to dig into all this food. And this is fried bread that comes with the hangi. So if you go and buy a hangi, you're going to get a fried bread that comes with it. Okay? And I got a cookie mayo, cookie mayonnaise, potato mayonnaise. That's what they're known for. The Cook Island potato mayonnaise. Okay? And in this boil up, I don't know what's in there. Probably pork bone, of course. Let me have a look. It looks like neck chops. No, it's... my saliva's like trying to dribble down. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's pork bone. Yep. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for your kind donation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, I better open up this hangi, okay? Oh, can't wait to dig into it. My snotty nose is even trying to roll down and trying to have a hangout with me. No, I don't want you to hang out with me. Right, my serious stuff happening here, guys. Serious stuff. My snotty nose is coming down. My snotty nose is coming down. Look, guys. Oh, the honey. And it's hot, right? Can you see it? Oh, I feel so privileged. I feel so privileged. Thank you, loving God, for all this beautiful food. Who wants some? We've got all fire. Look at my steaming glasses. And anyway, cheers, guys. I got me a plate here. Should I need to put any bones on it? Yeah, it's down. Anyway, so thirsty, so hot here in Sydney. So hot. Anyway, like I said, I already got my prayer done. Already washed my hands in case I start touching my food and licking my fingers. Time to eat, guys. And I met the man that does the donuts. Oh, friendly man. He comes from Tupapa, where my husband is from. Okay, I'm really going to dig into this hangi first, okay, guys? See, it comes with a chicken leg. That's the drumstick, and it's falling apart because it's cooked so well. So well. Yeah, that's your guys. Excuse the hands. And here's the stuffing. This is all from down in St. Mary's. Stuffing, guys. I better not eat too fast. Might choke. Look. That smoky flavor of honey. Just get some cookie mayonnaise. This usually goes good together. Chicken and cookie mayonnaise. Oh, yum. They do a good mayonnaise. It reminds me of mangere. My husband used to come home with suppers after the nightclub. It was called Bali High. And the mayonnaise and chicken, that's all I used to look forward to inside the supper. Yeah, I'll wake up, my husband's home, and like he'll work on Friday night, Saturday night at the Bali High. So good, guys. I'll leave you guys the address down the bottom of the link so you guys can go and get you some. It's so lovely. I'm so happy I found this place. I saw them on Facebook, and you know, anything to do with food, I'm there. I'll just mix this raw fish. Gotta mix it, guys. Gotta mix it a bit. You guys. And then that's my mama. Yep, she's colouring in. Oh, this food is so on point. Guys, I'm going to put this aside so you guys can see what I'm eating. And this, this fried bread, this is what I like doing, is dipping it in the suwa. Suwa is juice. Nice fried bread. Wow. Oh, look at this. It comes with a nice piece of pork. You cut it up. Alright. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna need salt. Because I see there's a bit of blubber, and I always like to salt my blubber a little bit with the blubber powder on top. Right. You're so happy. So lovely, guys. So lovely. I'm so lucky today. Lucky. So I'm going to share this with you guys before I start with it. But I'm going to start a cooking channel. And it's going to be called Faye Cooks, guys. Faye Cooks. Okay? This is the name I came up with. What's cooking, Faye? Okay, I was happy with it. And then when my husband and I were going to Bunnings, and he said, you should call your video Faye Cooks. But then when he told me why he thinks I should call it Faye Cooks, it made sense. You see, my video is called Vids, so it should be called Faye Cooks, because that's what I'm going to do, is cook. Because when I started Vids, right, was only meant to be for mukbangs. And my travelling around. So, to add cooking in there, it just made it sort of messy for me. So I've been planning it for some time to do a cooking video, but just haven't come to that point when I wanted to do it. You know, like, so when I pushed it, I don't know. It's slightly different than this. It is similar flavour, but it's different because this is really nice and tender. That's more firm, and it's nice like that. I like it like that. It's nice. I love it with butter, just plain butter. But it is so soft. Oh, anyway, that's nice. Nice donut. Well done to him. God knows it's good to have. This goes together with the raw fish. That's how I plan my food. That goes together with that. Mayonnaise goes together with chicken and some sweet. Before, some of you guys had requested for me to do some cooking, and you guys, I still have your names down. Yeah, it's in the book. So when I start my video, God willing, I'm gonna put all your fellas cooking first. After I've done all your fellas cooking, then I start doing more cookings, okay, of other kinds of food. Well, I remembered you guys, and because every time you guys requested me to do something, I would put it down. And sometimes I don't have the time to put it in order because I gotta look after my mama. But yeah, so far my kitchen's come a long way, but I'm just waiting for the bench top, because the bench top that I want is not the one that's supposed to come with the kitchen. It's a stone one. I want a particular stone. So the man's got to come around and measure it and cut it and put it on. Then I have to get the backsplash and put that on as well. I've already picked that as well. So slowly but surely, because God is loving, and I always ask him for permission. So time for the boil up. So I just get the potato out. See, I really scrubbed down this meat board. Scrubbed it real good. With this, guys, watercress. This is pork bone. Guys, this is bacon bone, ham bone. No wonder everything does smoky smell. Because they have the normal boil up. The bacon bone boil up. Guys. So delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna have some steamed pudding and custard now. My mum had two. Because I gave her one and I said, did you like it? You want another one? She goes, to see any more? I thought, oh, my mum loves it. Yeah. Whoever made this? Bomb.com. Yeah. Pudding kind of reminds me of my sister-in-law Ngā Nelio. It's pudding. She made, I remember there was a request for German buns. German buns is one of my favourite. And I go over to Mount Druitt, right? Ever Mount Druitt, there's this place. It's an Indian man. He sells food, but he sells these German buns in there. And they're so beautiful, so moist, so beautiful. I know I've tasted German buns and I loved all of them. But this one was just... Okay, I'm daydreaming about it, but... So, when someone requested for me to make German buns, I thought, hold the brakes. I've never made them before. But listen, guys, I'm one of those ones, when I get a challenge, I'm going to do it. And I'm going to do it for the first time. So, if you guys ever watch my video when I make it, God willing, and I look like a professional, no, I just did that day with you guys. I know there's a lot of you thinking, I can make it. Oh, you guys are lucky then. Because this woman has never made it before. I go to the fob shops and buy it. Fob shops. You know, some people get offended by that word. But to me, no. I love that word. Fresh off the boat. Shivers. I don't think our people came from boats. I don't think I think it's fresh off the plane. Yeah, that's what it is. And I don't get offended. I do not get offended because it is what it is. We did travel over and we were fresh. We came over. But mind you, these days they're really teaching the young ones like English. I don't know about that, eh? I just think stick to your mother tongue, guys, because when it's lost, it's lost. I mean, we're getting to that generation where we're going to eventually lose it. Look, my kids can't even speak Samoa to save their lives, and nor can they speak Cook Island. So, I don't know, unless one of them wants to take it on and learn it off by heart. But, unfortunately, yep. Well, I must malama fa Samoa show whāngau. Fa Samoa ki kilo mai. But that, what's that? Le fa logo me kala le fa yaku. But who can you blame? I blame myself. I think if I was with a Samoan man, I think we'll try and do that together because we're both speaking Samoan, so we'll both go, hey, awhai ako e o mai Faye mea ia, o mai nai e Faye mea ia e awara e o la lafi mai o le poku. So beautiful. Anyway, yeah, this donut is one massive donut. And you know what, guys? Even though I didn't eat it on the video, but trust that I'm going to make me a coffee after and finish it off. I can't help it. It's so beautiful. You know what? Sometimes you go to a place and you find food and some of it's alright, some of it's yum, some of it's you won't buy it again. But I can tell you, there's no jokes. This food is beautiful. Okay, so if you're like me and you love these kind of food and it's available near you, enjoy it. But if you're near St. Mary's, you hop by near to the Kai Drop, to Chrissy's, and to boom. Okay, bye guys. Take care. Okay, I'm gonna go hang out with my mum and now watch TV, have me some coffee, and finish on my donut. This fried bread. I want to sing you guys a song, but I won't. Fast forward.